Hello guys, Anand. So guys, today I'm gonna discuss about one program. So you can see all here it's mentioned that program to get the sum of a digits of a number. Okay, so this is what the program we are going to do today. So what it stand for is like, let's say we have an input a number. Let's say we got an input a number in the form of an integer. It is a 251. Okay, so what the output should be like, you need to take an individual digit of a number, let's say 2 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, so it should represent 8 as an output. Okay, so based on different input, your program should give me the individual digit of a number, like some of the individual digits of a number. Okay, so let's say if the input becomes something like this. Okay, 632. Okay, so in this case your output of the program should be 6 plus 3 plus 2, so which will be like 6 plus 3 9 9 10 11, right? So 11 should be the output. So basically the sum of the digits, individual digits of a number. Okay, so how to achieve this through program? Okay, so I'm gonna write this program in C++ right now. So the very first thing we can do is we can ask for the user input. Let's say I will ask the user to enter a number, so I will print it by using cout, correct? After that, what I will be doing is I will make a variable int num, then c in num, right? So we got an input from the user. We have taken the input from the user. What's the next thing I can do here is I can make a, let's say we make a I will make a variable int digit. Okay, I will assign it to 0 initially, and also I will be making a variable add. I will assign it to 0. Now what the next thing I will do is I will run a while loop while I will give the condition is while num is greater than 0. That means if the num is greater than 0, so what I'm gonna do is digit is equals to num modulus 10. Num modulus 10. After that, add is equals to add plus digit, then num equals to num by 10. So guys, what this loop is doing is, let's say you got an input from the user here. Let's take the example of 251 only. Okay, so you got the input as 251 here. So what it's being 251 greater than 0. Yeah, correct. So this condition here correct, right? So now it will enter into the while loop. Digit is equals to num modulus 10. So your number is 251. If you are going to divide 251 by 10, you are going to left with 1 as a remainder. So here the digit value will become 1. Here the digit value will become 1 because number is 255, and if you're going to divide 250 by 10, you are going to left with 1 as a remainder, correct? And modulus sign gives us the remainder. So here the digit value will become 1. Then here add is equals to add plus digit. What does it mean? What is the add value? 0, right? So what is the digit value? 1. 0 plus 1, it will become 1 initially. Okay, then after that program will come to this line. Num is equals to num by 10. What is the num value? 251. Okay, so guys, it will take the quotient in this case. That means if you are going to divide 251 by 10, so here the num value will become 25. Okay, here the num value will become 25. It will only take the quotient part. Okay, so now you have the num value got changed to 225. Okay, from 251 it got changed to 25. So now again the while loop is 25 greater than 0. Yes, condition satisfied. Program will come into the while loop. Digit is equals to num modulus 10. If you're going to divide 25 by 10, you are going to left as 5 as a remainder. Okay, so now 5 is a remainder. Add is equals to add plus digit. So what is the add value now? 1. What is the new digit value? 5. So 1 plus 5, the new add value will become 6. Again, if you are going to divide 25 by 10, you are going to left 2 as a quotient, right? 2 as a quotient. 25 by 10 here I am dividing. Okay, now again, is 2 greater than 0? Yes, condition satisfied. Again it will enter into the while loop. Digit is equals to 2 modulus 10. If you are going to do 2 modulus 10, you are going to left with 2 as a remainder. Okay, so digit value will become 2 here. Now add is equals to add plus digit. So add is equals to, what is the digit value? What is the add value? 6. What is the digit value? 2. So 6 plus 2 will become here 8. 6 plus 2 will give you 8 here. So now num is equals to num by 10. What is the num value? 2. If you are going to divide 2 by 10, you are going to left 0 as a question, right? 0 as a question. Is 0 greater than 0? No, 0 is not greater than 0. Therefore the condition failed. And if the condition will fail, program will come outside the while loop. Program will come outside the while loop, and hence the final value of add is the sum of all the individual digits of 251, right? 2 plus 5 plus 1 will give you 8. This is the final value of add. So here I can say that the sum of the digits of a number is, the sum of the digits of a number is add, correct, like this. So now let us run this program, let us check this. So it is asking me to enter a number, let's say 251, the same thing. See, the sum of the digits of the number is 8, correct? Again, if I run you, let's check with different number. 8, 7 plus 8 plus 2, which will give you 17, correct? 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 2 will give you 17. In the same manner, if you give 6, 7, 1, then 14, correct? So this is how, guys, this program is being done. So yeah, so this is like you can write this small program. This is very useful program. So yeah, this is only the logic, while loop logic, which you people need to remember. Okay, so yeah, if there's any doubts and anything, you can reach me out through my channels and all this. Okay, so thank you.